If your nonstick pans are starting to peel, food keeps sticking, or you're simply looking for cookware made without PFAS and other questionable chemicals, you're definitely not alone. More home cooks are paying attention to what their cookware is made from, but finding a healthy set that also performs well isn't always easy. Today we're taking a closer look at the Vkoocy 12-piece healthy ceramic nonstick pots and pans set, a cookware collection designed for families, beginner cooks, apartment owners, and anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a versatile ceramic cookware set. It promises healthy nonstick cooking, compatibility with almost every cooktop, and easy cleanup, all at an affordable price. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its modern appearance. The matte black finish paired with subtle decorative accents gives the cookware a clean, contemporary look that feels more premium than you might expect in this price range. Instead of hiding the cookware in a cabinet, it's attractive enough to leave displayed on your stovetop or hanging from a rack. The included silicone utensils and pot protectors are also thoughtful additions, helping you keep the ceramic coating in better condition over time. The cookware itself feels sturdy without becoming unnecessarily heavy. The handles provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to move pans even when they're full. The rivetless interior is another smart design choice because it eliminates small crevices where food usually collects, making both cooking and cleaning noticeably easier. Overall, the build quality gives the impression of a cookware set designed for everyday use rather than occasional cooking. In daily cooking, the ceramic nonstick coating performs exactly the way most people hope. Eggs slide around easily with very little oil. Pancakes lift cleanly from the surface, and delicate foods like fish are less likely to stick or fall apart during cooking. For anyone trying to reduce cooking oil without sacrificing convenience, that's a meaningful advantage rather than just a marketing claim. Heat distribution is another pleasant surprise. The cookware warms up relatively quickly and spreads heat evenly across the cooking surface, reducing hot spots that often lead to burnt food. Whether you're simmering pasta sauce, sautéing vegetables, frying chicken, or preparing soups, the pans provide consistent cooking results without requiring constant adjustments. One area where this cookware really shines is convenience. Since it's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, glass, and induction cooktops, most households won't need to worry about compatibility when upgrading. Cleanup is equally simple. Thanks to the ceramic coating and smooth rivet-free interior, most food residue wipes away with little effort, making post-dinner cleanup much faster than traditional stainless steel cookware. While the pots are dishwasher safe, gentle hand washing will likely help preserve the ceramic coating for longer. Of course, no cookware set is completely perfect. Like most ceramic nonstick cookware, it's important to avoid using metal utensils or excessive high heat if you want the coating to maintain its performance over the long term. Professional chefs who regularly cook at extremely high temperatures may prefer stainless steel or cast iron instead. But for everyday family meals, this set is more than capable. Compared with similarly priced ceramic cookware from brands like GreenLife, Gotham Steel, or even higher-priced options like Caraway, the Vkoocy set offers impressive value by including multiple pots, frying pans, utensils, lids, and accessories in one complete package. It may not have the premium branding of more expensive competitors, but it delivers many of the same everyday benefits at a significantly lower price. Overall, the Vkoocy 12-piece ceramic cookware set is an excellent choice for first-time homeowners, growing families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone replacing worn-out nonstick cookware. It combines attractive design, healthy ceramic cooking surfaces, broad cooktop compatibility, and easy maintenance into a practical kitchen upgrade. If you regularly cook over extremely high heat, you may want a different material. But for everyday breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, this cookware set offers excellent value and dependable performance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews every week. And if you're thinking about upgrading to healthier ceramic cookware, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.